Oh, that's oh, big stall. You can go faster than that. Yes, Sam. Yeah. Oh, that's terrible.
Oh, what's terrible? I was in third.
That was better. Yes. Did you see that? Absolutely chucked her off there. Woo! Oh! Oh my God! Wow, I thought he was coming back down. Nice. Film that, Dixon. I'll go park up, get out there.
Coming in hot. Nicely done. Bloody hell. Oh, we like a bit of single track. Jamie's having a little rest there. Let him have his breather. It's been that long since I've rode these trails. I can't actually remember where the twist and turn, but we're coming along all right. Hopefully this microphone's not picking up all the panting I'm doing, because definitely out bike fit at the minute. This is second ride in after a year and a half off. Just gone straight back into the deep end with the boys. Bloody glad I got that tyre from Enduro Tyres.com. And got the Airstreams on from PCT suspension. Brilliant for conditions like this when you get hot and steamy. You just crack a vent and crack on the pipe. You stop and start it?
Yeah,
when
stop now.
So whenever...
Oh! That's what we want to see. Big Larry. Oh, Samuel.
Kids, you have a shoot now.
That was a good one, bro. Gubbins. Was never in doubt. Dixon! Don't think he's coming. I don't think he's coming, is he? Come on, lad. Yes, Jay! That was lovely. That was mega for your first go at that.
Yeah.
Oh! Whilst we're having a go at Handlebar Hill, Boz's Bank, I've not had a go. I think I went up it because I'm at the top, but I didn't. Anyway, I'm happy to watch. The game is in. Woo! Dixon's in. Oh! The commit. There was a lack of commitment there.
Yeah, I know. I said in my head as well, I'm giving it 100%. I think I give it about 45.
What a melt.
But I knew it wasn't going to go, so I thought
Yes, Jay!
a bit fast, really.
That was mega. Go on, Dixon, you can do that.
I know, it's annoying that.
He's having it, he's having it. Big bit of vegan pie. Whoa, lovely! Oh!
Couldn't get the back wheel to grip.
Dude, you were like that in air and you didn't even take your feet off, it was sick.
There was too many routes on the landing, but it was alright.
Well done. That was so much fun! Oh no! This is the hard bit. I'll do. Oh, back wheel's nearly up past there, Dick said. I'll help you.
No.
I'll help you, mate. It's alright, I'll help you.
Cheers, buddy, I needed that.
There's no help zone. Mangled up in there and Sam's beeping on. You can't turn them off. You have to do the mod. Yes, Jay! Yes, lad! The lads have done good. The lads have done really well on that, I reckon. That is hard. Yes, lad. Oh! What the hell? I'm not sure I've got it in me. Woo! Yes! Sick. So, it's definitely time to put them new tyres on because these are struggling right now. Michelin. Yeah.
got to film you crashing.
Were you not supposed to be filming him? I thought it was the idea.
No, he said anyone else.
Oh, anyone else?
You're more likely to crash, aren't you?
Nice one.
Oh. I told you. I should be a betting man. Are you going to crash again? I'll let you past.
Yeah, go on, man. Brilliant point, that. I did that one on purpose. Is that what you did, mate? Yeah. That was clean. I do a fucking cost.
Got him.
Yeah,
Not worth doing. I knew
it on
it.
purpose though.
Oh. Nice, Jay. Up. Fucking hell. That was gnarly. Whew. That's a big lift. Whew. I'm riding on here, lads. It's a shame I'm at the front, but woo! Nice, sick. Oh, that one wrapped through the goggles, scratching the lenses.
Yeah, heroics, I'm too tired.
Amateurish.
Well, if you were there, I might have done it, but if you were...
Oh, don't give me that shit.
Okay, you're right, my run. You'd have got T-burned.
That's what I wanted, it would have been the footage. You can hit me anytime you want, as long as I've got camera on, it doesn't matter.
You'd have been down there. This camera then.
Are you coming up?
I'm going to film you.
Are you coming up it though?
Nah.
Why not?
I'm just too tired. That's the honest truth. Oh dear. plenty of grip with that slick tyre on. Can't say I really like it. I can't step up this bit here, that's the issue. Sound.
Yes. Can't be much battery left. Rain's coming. Oh yes, Cummins! I think my battery's going to go, so I'll just sign us out in case it does. And that's been a Thursday night ride. Quite a hefty group out, to be fair. I've run absolutely shocking. The tyre's done. I don't think I can take it another round. It's time for the new ones. But thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bosh! I couldn't. Yeah, you can see the mistake. I couldn't quite get my hand off there to do the bosh. Here we go, bosh! It's dark in these little tunnels.